Hi, this is Luke, and these are the features and sounds of Symphonic Elements drums from UJAM. This is an orchestral drums and percussion phrase-based virtual instrument from the collection of Hans Zimmer, and today I'm using it alongside Symphonic Elements strings and brass in my soundtrack to get some instant excitement and movement. Now, at its heart, Symphonic Elements drums has a number of phrases mapped across the bottom keyboard, and they increase with complexity as you move from low to high. So right down here at C2. We have something which has virtually no complexity to it at all, and then just moving up the keyboard. Then right up here. And culminating in the busiest, most urgent phrases right at the top. And I can also use my mod wheel as well to get different velocities. So very expressive. So just by selecting the phrase that I want with my keyboard and using the mod wheel, I'm very nearly there. But I also have a range of different styles which include different sounds as well. And if I hold down one key, you can hear what that's doing. So they all have Hans Zimmer's trademark pulsating style. However, we do have lots of variation on that theme, as you can see. Tons of it down here. Now, a great way to completely transform the rhythms that you were getting is to use the finisher. Now, this features in a lot of UJAM's other instruments, but in the Symphonic Elements series, and especially with the drums, it's great for actually changing the rhythmic components that you're putting into your composition. Another great way to change the rhythm instantly is to use the crossfader. Now this fades between percussion sections, and that sounds like this. Way up. So between the keyboard controls, the crossfader and the finisher, we have three things there that just make it very easy to build tension or to get different phrases very quickly indeed. I'm also really liking the character effects as well, and if I'll just swing the crossfader back over to high, you can hear that working over on this section to the right. And when I bring everything back together, I get the finished result, and I can add even more drama using just something as simple as the finisher to get the results that I want. So those are the features and sounds of Symphonic Elements drums from UJAM. Instant widescreen drama for your DAW. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Experts blog.